Hi guys, and welcome to another video that represents an interesting daily plus intraday move. This is Decker's Outdoors, uh, not a pretty sight. So let's first analyze the daily chart. I mean, there's not a lot to analyze here. The stock has been a disaster since the beginning of the year. You can see this ugly downtrend. It actually the stock opened the year at 200, got halved, traded near 100, reversed in the last 3 months, but as you can see right now, and this is the gap down created on earnings. You can read about the reason for that in the description below. The regular earnings disappointing, and the stock is getting hammered. Um, uh, what we are interested in is how we as short-term traders, the day traders, can if we can take advantage of this gap down in Decker. So let's take a look at the intraday chart. Now we're up for a surprise. The stock, as you can see guys, is down I mean $30, yeah, something like that. So a huge gap down, meaning the stock is already at the open in the leading the screener with this 20 something percent red open. But what we see here, and this is not very surprising because it happens, you can see here that other than some minor sell-off in the morning session, the stock is actually trending higher pretty much all day. So if you ask yourself, can you make money shorting Decker? The stock is down 20%, the worst performing stock in the New York Stock Exchange, and no, you cannot make money on the short side. Can you make money on the long side? Yes, you can. Not an easy trade because the stock is a bit spready, but at least it was consistent for those who picked up the idea that it's not moving down anymore, and actually some investors have shown interest and picked up on the stock. It doesn't necessarily mean that it will continue higher. I don't know about that at all, but for Friday it was a clear long play for those who were following DECK. Like I said, I will post more info in the description below from Yahoo Finance. Now, technically, where were entry points here? And again, I'm looking mainly at round numbers. I'm thinking 97.50 or 98. Very tough to see in retrospect. This is not necessarily my type of trading, because I'm more inclined to trade with the trend. So if there's a gap down, I would look for a continuation to the downside. This one was definitely not on my agenda Friday, but an interesting concept here. Keep in mind, this stock is double-digit mover in the pre-market, but still delivered from the lows $5-6 reversal. So again, not a huge uptrend or a huge move higher, but a consistent move higher. That was also part of the deal in DECK. So yeah, like I said before, watch the description if you're interested in DECK. And remember, a gap down is not necessarily a guarantee that there will be more downside. As much as a gap up is not necessarily a guarantee that there will be continuation to the upside. Sometimes the other side of the trade wins, and in this case it's clear that institutional investors picked up the stock. We'll see if this reversal or mini reversal from 97 will continue next week. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.